and just say it before you do it.
Alright, red ring, yeah, problem everybody knows, so I'm here to fix it and solve all your problems so you can stop crying to your parents. Oh, I need a new Xbox! Ah! And so, I'm gonna do the old towel trick, works every time. I'm using a beanbag instead. Should work. Alright, now that it's been a long time, we can we cut the Xbox off and turn it back on.
Didn't work. It worked.
See? Now, just look up.
Subscribe.
Subscribe. My friend, he's there. Mr. Brusky374.
That's me right here.
And this would be me. Mr. Mitchie01. Yep, subscribe. Here you go. See, it works. Woo! Now you can stop crying to your parents and be a nerd and play some Xbox.